everyone, welcome back to Lithu's nail art design. If you are new here, hi, I am Lithu and I share creative beginner friendly nail art design that you can try right at your home. Today we are creating this design using a dotting tool. I am using a light pink shade as the base coat. Place some dots in a curved structure. Follow the exact steps shown in this video to get this look. Place the base color as shown in this video to get this look. If your hands shake a bit, rest your vest on the table. Stability makes a big difference. Patience is the key to perfection. This nail art is cute, simple and beginner friendly, so it looks beautiful even on short nails. If you don't have a dotting tool, you guys can use toothpicks. You don't need professional tools or salon experience, just enjoy the process. Remember, nail art does not have to be perfect. Small imperfection actually add charm to handmade designs. Work gently and clean your tools before colors to keep your design neat. If you're trying for the first time, don't worry if it takes a bit longer. Pause the video, practice and continue. Nail art is all about learning and enjoying creativity. This design is perfect for all seasons. If you like this nail art, please give it a thumbs up. It's really a great support. Nail art is not about perfection, it's all about enjoying this process. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more easy nail art design for beginners, short nails and DIY nails at home. This design is meant to be easy, clean and beginner friendly. Once everything is completely dry, apply your top coat. Use gentle stroke and don't push too hard so that the design don't smudge. Try to use top coat only after your design has completely dried. If you enjoyed this design, please give this video a like. It's really a support to my channel. Let me know in the comment which color should I try next. Apply top coat only after your design has completely dried. Drop a comment and tell me, do you like this look? This design proves that we don't need long nails or expensive tools to create beautiful nail art at home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and find it easy and relaxing to follow. Stay creative and I will see you all in my next videos. Till then, tata, bye bye.